2026, a secret military experiment goes wrong, and history shatters. The four most powerful armies in history are teleported into the modern world. But they are not alone. They come with modern weapons. And this is no longer a war. This may be humanity's final test. Genghis Khan's army returns, but this time the sky belongs to them too. Drone swarms cover the horizon, the sun disappears. The Mongols meant speed. Now they mean invisible death. The base defense systems activate, but the attack comes from every direction. No system is ready for this. The first line falls. The war has begun. 300 Spartans advance, but they are no longer human. With exoskeleton armor, their power is multiplied. Bullets bounce off. Their steps do not stop. This time, the shield formation does not break. At close range, no one can stand against them. The gate breaks, and the war becomes face to face. Rome does not rush. Rome makes a plan. Legionaries mount tanks. Ancient order transforms into modern steel. Within hours, the base is surrounded. Nothing is left to chance. One line falls, then another. Rome takes control. And then, chaos arrives. Berserkers emerge from the smoke. Screams fade into the fog. Chemical gas spreads. No one can see what's happening. There are only sounds and axes. Order collapses. Minds break. The war is now out of control. And then, they all collide at once. Mongols, Spartans, Rome, Vikings. But now the enemy is each other. The modern base collapses. The world falls silent. And only one question remains. Who really won? Who do you think would win? Write your answer in the comments. I'll pin the best theory.